Okay, so in the first video we saw what is desktop personalization. And now we shall continue with the remaining topics of today. So I shall show you some personalized user accounts on a system. So this is the computer system, and these two are the users on this system. Okay, these two are the users of this system. So the name of this user is Dell, and the name of this user is St. Paul Labe PC28. So there are currently two users of this system. So I shall show you how they have their own personalized desktops. Okay, I shall first click on this user Dell, then I shall enter the password of it. Okay, so this is his the user Dell's working environment. Okay, so this is the desktop of the user Dell. Okay, see the background picture, see the background picture of the desktop, see the icons, the files that this user has kept. This user works on these files and applications. Okay, so we can also see the window color. See, I have opened this Dell folder here, this first folder I have opened, and see this window has opened. Now let us see the color of this window. Color of this window, this border of this window is yellow. The color of the taskbar is also yellow. Okay, so this is the personalized desktop of this user Dell. Okay, now we shall go to the next user to see its personalized desktop. Switch user. So now we shall go to this user's account. Okay, so I shall click on this user, then I shall enter the password of this user. Okay, so this is the working environment of this user. This is the desktop that this user has personalized. This is the background picture that this user, St. Paul user, has set. Then these are the icons. This way this user has arranged, and this is the taskbar. Now let us see the window color of this user. Okay, so I am opening this first folder. Okay, so the window has opened. Now see the color of the border of this window. It is green, and the color of the taskbar is also green. So this user has set the window color as green, and this is the desktop background picture for this user. So this is how we can personalize different user accounts on a system. Now we shall move with how we can set desktop background, how we can set window color, and how we can set screensaver. So before we go to all these options, we go from a common option, personalize. So we shall go from desktop. This is the desktop now. Okay, this is the empty space. Here no icons, no files, nothing is there. This is the empty space on this desktop. So we shall right click. Okay, right click of the mouse, press the right button of the mouse, then a menu appears. Okay, this is the menu which appears when you right click on this desktop. Okay, so we have to go to the last option, that is personalize. Click the personalize option, left click, you have to left click on that personalize option. A window with the name personalization appears. This is the window which appears after left clicking on the personalize option. Okay, see this window now. Okay, now below this window we have the options for desktop background, color, that is window color, that is the border color and the taskbar color. Then we have sounds, then we have screen saver. So currently whatever the background, color, sounds and screen savers are set, they appear here. Okay, this is the currently picture set as desktop background. See, this picture we saw. Then this is the window color which is currently set, that is green. Then some sounds, that is the default Windows default. This is the name of the sound which is set for all the events. And this is a screensaver. Screensaver, the name of the screensaver which is set is Mystify. It looks this way. Okay, so this is a currently set screensaver. Now we shall understand one by one what steps we have to follow for setting all these. First we shall see desktop background. So click on this option, desktop background. Click meaning you have to left click. Okay, so desktop background, click. Okay, a new window appears. A new window appears with the name desktop background. Okay, so some pictures are given here. Okay, these are the pictures which we can set as desktop background. Okay, so what we shall do, this is a currently set picture as a desktop background. Okay, the tick is there with this picture. So what we have to change, so we shall keep, let us say I shall select this picture. Okay, so the selection has gone of this picture and this picture is selected. Okay, so I selected this picture. Now bottom right corner of this window there is an option, there is a button save changes. So we shall click on this save changes. So now we get back to this personalization window. Okay, we get back to this personalization window, and here in desktop background you shall see the picture that you selected for desktop background appears here. We shall also see by minimizing this window. I am minimizing this window. See the picture now. Okay, see the desktop background, see the background picture. Okay, so this is the picture. So the picture has changed. Okay, so this is how we can set desktop background. Now we shall go to the next option. So again we come back to the personalization window. Then we go to the next option, that is color. I shall click on this option, color. So a new window with the name color and appearance appears. Okay, some colors you shall see. From these colors you can select any one color. Okay, the other options that you can get is color intensity and show color mixer, so you can have some more experiments with it. So currently set color appears this way, it appears as a selected. Okay, so what we can do is we can change to some any other color. So let's say I select this color. I am clicking on this color. Then we have to click on this color. Now as you click on that color gets selected, and you can see at that time itself the color of this window, the border of this window. See the border. See the border. The color has changed, and the color of the taskbar has also changed. Okay. So after selecting the color, we have to go to the Save Changes option, which is at the bottom of that window. Save Changes, click on the Save Changes. Then we come back to the personalization window. See, the color has changed now. Of all the windows, of all the applications and files, the border of the windows and the taskbar has changed. Okay, and the currently set color appears this way. Now we shall move to the last topic of today, screensaver. Okay, now how to set the screensaver. So click on this option, screensaver. A small window appears with the name screensaver settings. Okay, the name of the screensaver window is screensaver settings. Now what is in this window? In the small window there is a picture of monitor. There is a drop down with the name screensaver. What is in this drop down? In this drop down you shall see some names of the screensavers. Okay, they can be any pictures, any pattern. Then we have, so we can select, okay, anything, any screensaver you select, you can have a view of it in this monitor picture. Okay, so I selected here bubbles. So do you see the bubbles in this monitor picture? See. So this way you can view all the screensavers, and then you can select any one. I selected now ribbon. Now see the monitor picture. So you can have a view of all the screensavers here, and then you can select any one. So I am selecting ribbons. Now next important thing in this is wait time. This wait time means after how much time you want this screensaver to appear. Okay, so I am keeping it as minimum so that we can see the screensaver quickly. So wait time I am keeping as 1 minute, which means if your computer screen is idle for 1 minute or more than 1 minute, the screensaver will appear. So wait time is 1 minute. I am keeping the minimum wait time. Okay, so I have selected ribbons. The wait time is 1 minute, and now I shall click on apply. That is the bottom right corner of this window. Apply, and then click on OK. Then we get back to again the personalization window, and now to see the screensaver we will not do anything on the computer screens. We shall keep our computer screens idle. Okay, so I am not doing anything on computer screens. We shall wait and see the screensaver. So we are waiting for the screensaver. So see, the screensaver has appeared. We set ribbons as screensaver. Now this is the screensaver ribbons. Do you see now? screensaver has appeared. Now if you want to get back to your computer screens, you can press any key on the keyboard, or you can do some mouse click. Okay, so any one action you can do to get back to your computer screen. So I'm just pressing spacebar, and this my computer screen appears, okay, which I was working on before the screensaver appeared. So this way you can set desktop background, window colors and screensavers. Okay, so this is how we can personalize our desktops. So today we have seen desktop personalization. Then I showed you some user accounts on a system, how they are personalized. Then we have also understood how we can set desktop background, window colors and screensavers. So please, you can practice at home. Do reading at home, practice at home. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.